Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to channel for expert drone comparisons and reviews. Helicopter. Today, we're putting DJI Matrice 4 versus Matrice 30 head-to-head to see which industrial powerhouse comes out on top. From advanced payloads to extreme durability, we'll break down the key differences and best use cases. Stay tuned for the ultimate showdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth drone comparisons and insights. Design and build. DJI Matrice 4. The DJI Matrice 4 series introduces a robust and versatile platform designed for various industrial applications. It features a durable airframe capable of withstanding challenging environmental conditions, ensuring reliability during critical missions. The drone's design emphasizes modularity, allowing for easy integration of different payloads and sensors to meet specific operational needs. In comparison, the DJI Matrice 30 series offers a compact and foldable design, making it highly portable and suitable for rapid deployment. Despite its smaller footprint, it maintains a rugged build quality, ensuring durability in diverse operational scenarios. The Matrice 30's design caters to users requiring a balance between performance and portability. Camera and sensor capabilities. DJI Matrice 4. The Matrice 4 series is equipped with advanced imaging systems, including a high-resolution wide-angle camera, medium telephoto camera, and a telephoto camera with up to 112x hybrid zoom. This setup enables detailed inspections and mapping tasks. Additionally, the Matrice 4T variant incorporates a thermal imaging camera with a resolution of 640 by 512 pixels, enhancing its utility in search and rescue operations and infrastructure inspections. The Matrice 30 series features integrated hybrid sensors, combining a 48MP zoom camera, a 12MP wide-angle camera, an 8K photo/4K video capability, and a laser rangefinder with a 1200m range. The Matrice 30T variant adds a thermal camera with a 640 by 512 resolution. This combination allows for versatile data collection, making it suitable for various industrial applications. Flight performance and battery life. DJI Matrice 4. The Matrice 4 series offers a maximum flight time of approximately 55 minutes, depending on payload and environmental conditions. Its propulsion system is designed to handle heavier payloads, making it suitable for tasks requiring specialized equipment. The drone's stability and wind resistance ensure reliable performance in demanding environments. The Matrice 30 series provides a flight time of up to 41 minutes. Its efficient design and powerful motors contribute to stable flight performance, even in adverse weather conditions. The slightly shorter flight time compared to the Matrice 4 is offset by its enhanced portability and ease of deployment. Operational features and applications. DJI Matrice 4. The Matrice 4 series supports a range of intelligent features, including advanced obstacle avoidance, time synchronization for precise mapping, and compatibility with various payloads. Its design makes it ideal for complex missions such as detailed infrastructure inspections, large-scale mapping, and emergency response operations. The Matrice 30 series incorporates features like real-time thermal imaging, high-precision mapping capabilities, and seamless integration with DJI's software ecosystem. Its compact design and quick deployment make it suitable for public safety missions, environmental monitoring, and rapid inspection tasks. Price and value proposition. DJI Matrice 4. While specific pricing details can vary based on configurations and regional factors, the Matrice 4 series is positioned as a premium solution, reflecting its advanced capabilities and payload capacity. It offers significant value for operations requiring high performance and versatility. The Matrice 30 series offers a more cost-effective solution without compromising on essential features. Its balance of performance, portability, and price makes it an attractive option for organizations needing reliable aerial capabilities with budget considerations. Payload capacity and customization. DJI Matrice 4. The DJI Matrice 4 is designed with a high payload capacity, allowing it to carry multiple sensors, cameras, and specialized equipment for industrial, surveying, and inspection tasks. Its modular architecture makes it highly adaptable, enabling users to customize their setup with thermal cameras, LiDAR sensors, and multispectral imaging tools to suit various applications. The DJI Matrice 30, while also supporting different payloads, has a more integrated design, meaning it comes with built-in cameras and sensors rather than a fully customizable payload system. This makes it easier to deploy but less flexible for industries that require specialized tools beyond its standard configuration. Weather resistance and durability. DJI Matrice 4. The Matrice 4 is engineered for extreme environments, featuring enhanced weatherproofing, reinforced materials, and advanced redundancy systems to ensure performance in heavy rain, high winds, and harsh industrial settings. It is built for high-risk operations such as power line inspections, search and rescue missions, and large-scale mapping. The Matrice 30, while also offering IP55 rated weather resistance, is slightly less robust than the Matrice 4 in extreme conditions. However, its lighter frame and quick deployment capabilities make it more suitable for field operations where mobility and rapid response are key factors. Flight performance and battery efficiency. DJI Matrice 4. The DJI Matrice 4 boasts extended flight time and high-powered propulsion, allowing it to operate for longer durations even while carrying heavy payloads. Its advanced battery management system supports hot-swappable batteries, reducing downtime during critical missions. Additionally, enhanced wind resistance and precision hovering make it ideal for demanding industrial applications. The DJI Matrice 30, while offering strong flight performance, is optimized for quick missions rather than endurance flights. It provides a balanced mix of power and efficiency, with a lighter design that enhances agility and maneuverability in dynamic environments. However, it has a slightly shorter battery life compared to the Matrice 4, making it better suited for fast-paced deployments. AI and autonomous capabilities. DJI Matrice 4. The Matrice 4 integrates cutting-edge AI-driven features, such as real-time data analysis, object recognition, and automated flight planning. These capabilities make it a top choice for autonomous inspections, high-precision mapping, and AI-powered surveillance applications. Its advanced collision avoidance system ensures safe operation even in complex environments. The Matrice 30 also features intelligent flight automation, including waypoint missions, real-time tracking, and terrain awareness. While its AI functions are powerful, they are more focused on situational awareness and rapid deployment rather than extensive data processing. This makes it an excellent choice for emergency response teams and tactical field operations. Conclusion. The DJI Matrice 4 is a powerhouse drone designed for heavy-duty industrial applications, offering superior payload capacity, extended flight time, and advanced AI features for specialized missions. The DJI Matrice 30, on the other hand, is built for portability, quick deployment, and tactical field use, making it perfect for emergency response, public safety, and agile operations. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter. Which industrial drone do you think is the better choice, the DJI Matrice 4 or the Matrice 30? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert drone comparisons and insights. See you in the next video.